You will often need to check where your wire networks are going. So you need to check or trace wires to see where all the wires go in a particular wire network. Now you'll notice here we've got a 3-phase motor linked up to a 3-phase multiple wire bus, which is then coming onto this wire bus and going up to this wire bus here. Now there's wires of differing colours, differing wire gauges and so on. What you want to do is quickly check either step by step or all in one where those wires are going so that you can locate them on your drawing. Now we're still in drawing demo02.dwg in project demo 10, and we're going to go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, and then we're going to go to edit wires, wire numbers, and to this flyout menu here where you'll find things like stretch wire and bend wire. Now I'm going to go for check trace wire, this one here. And what it does is it checks a wire segment and highlights all other wire segments connected to it. So if I click there, it will prompt me to select the wire segment. So I'm going to select this one here coming off the motor. It highlights, and then I get some commands on the command line. I've got pan, zoom, all segments, quit, or if I hit the space bar, it'll go through it step by step. So if I just keep pressing the space bar, there's the first segment, there's the second segment. Notice it zooms automatically when the wires get bigger than the screen area. So if I keep pressing the space bar, each wire in that particular wire network gets highlighted. And as you can see, I get to the end, and that's all the wires there. And they're all highlighted in yellow, very obvious to see. Now if I want to get out of that command, I just type Q for quit. And as you can see, it's now prompting me now to select another wire segment and go ahead and do that all over again. Now what I'm going to do is just hit escape, and then I'm going to zoom back in here. And this time I'm going to go for all segments. So I'm going to do the same thing. Schematic tab on the ribbon, edit wires, wire numbers, on the flyout there, check trace wire. Click on there and select the same wire segment, that one there. But this time, instead of going spacebar and doing it single step, I'm going to type A for all segments, and it highlights it in a different colour, and it finds all of them for me in one go. So you can see them all on the drawing, it's done a zoom extent, and there's all of the wires connected to that wire segment. Type Q for quit, and we're back to the select wire segment prompt, where I can hit escape just to cancel that command. I'll zoom in again, and just pan down to make sure that we can see that section of the wire drawing. So that's how you can check and trace your wires in your wiring network on your AutoCAD electrical drawings.